haven't been putting up much video online because, to be honest with you, I'm studying and I don't really want to draw a lot of attention to myself. And I just show a few things, what's available, so people can learn, you know. So every now and then I might just do one or two video. But that's it. I'm not really looking for a pause. I just put something up if you want to use it, you know, because I must be honest with you. It's a time, you know, where there is no time. And anyway. So you see what's going on in the world. A lot of people starving. So if you can get something going and help people in any way you can, I would say do it. When I'm doing the file, I find a place where it's smooth and I proper apply pressure and scratch it. And I use the tip, the edge, and I slant it so it slices like a knife. You don't have to put that much pressure like I do, but you just like the good result, yeah? You see? You can see the file. You have to twist it to see it. You know how thin those scratches are? So if it doesn't crush the material, that means this is hard. Harder than 9 by far. You know, that's why I apply a lot of pressure to tell. This is a diamond stone. You see it. I can see peeps, you know what time it is. You know, just pray and keep going. God is still with us. We have to rebuild a lot of things, you know. Everything's demolished. Some of us lose stuff before, some just losing it now. You know, it's a reshape moment. It's a rebuild time, you know. It started from 2020, you know, a lot of things go down. Then we have to rebuild a lot of things, you know it goes. So don't fret about it. You're alive. You got a chance to do it again.